Hey guys, what's up? Here is me Sarthak from RSA Partners, and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 cool patterns you can make on your Rubik's Cube. So without wasting any more further time, let's get on to it. Guys, the first pattern on the list is cube in a cube, and to make a cube in a cube pattern, the algorithm is F L F U prime R U F2 L2 U prime L prime B B prime B prime L2 U, and your cube in a cube pattern is hence made. The next pattern on the list is cube in a cube in a cube. The algorithms for this pattern is U prime L prime U prime F prime R2 B prime R F U B2 U B prime L U prime F U R F prime. And as you can see, the cube in a cube in a cube pattern is hence solved. This is a cube in a cube, and this one is cube in a cube in a cube. The third pattern on the list is known as Anaconda, and the algorithms for this is also on the screen, and it is L U B prime U prime R L prime B R prime F B prime D R D prime and F prime. So guys, the fourth pattern on the list is known as Tetris, and you can see its algorithm on the top of the screen, and it's a very short algorithm. L R F B U prime D prime L prime R prime, and here you go, the Tetris pattern is hence made. Guys, the fifth and the last pattern on the list is known as the line pattern. So its algorithm is R D R F R prime F prime B D R prime U prime B prime U D2, and here you go, your line pattern with this connection is made. Hey guys, hope that you enjoyed this video. Till the time, peace, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any queries, please comment down below, and that's it for this video. Goodbye.